And as we'll see now, here are some of the examples. The very first example we are looking at is data pre-processing. So we talked about data processing, and you're wondering, hey Nilesh, you told us data cleaning, but I didn't see any example of that. And here is an example. Let's say we have this data on the left hand side, which is a screenshot of a product on Amazon, and we see that there is information. For example, is discontinued by manufacturer, no, country of origin India, manufacturer, all this information is there. So if you're trying to extract this information from that from that code, here is what is in the background of these product details shown here by these in this box. So here you see that country of origin is written right here, and that is what gets shown to the user when the person visits the site. And we can write code to extract information from the code that's behind this web page. And that after we extract the code, it would look something like shown here in this box, where this country of origin is highlighted. And subsequently, when this is a CSV file, that is comma separated file that we create, except instead of comma we are using a pipe in this particular case. This is just to show you how the data gets cleaned or gets extracted in this case. And if you try and open this file in MS Word, sorry, MS Excel or other software, we can see this in a nice table form where you have country of origin as a separate column, and similarly there are other columns created. So uh, getting into this field, then, as you'll start seeing now, is to perform these tasks manually is possible. You could just read and then type out what is in each of the columns. But then when the data becomes huge, let's say if there is like thousands and thousands of pages of this text for some other document, it's manually not possible to do that, because it'll take hours, years and years to do that. So we can write code and we can tell the computer to do this task for us. And when we say we write a code, uh, it's uh, uh, it's the process of translating our thoughts into uh, a code that the computer can process to get us the output that we are looking for. And that's the part which takes time and practice, but eventually I'm pretty sure uh, you'll get it with uh, if you put in the practice. Here is another example. Let's say we have these pictures of a palm, pictures of a hand on a background, and uh, uh, we are trying to measure the area of each palm, or the size of each hand. We could do it manually by erasing the background here and then counting the pixels in each of the number of pixels in each of the hand, and then use that. Or we could write a computer code that uh, uh, which we can train what is background, what is the object or hand of interest, and accordingly we can tell the computer to remove the background, as you see here. And then whatever is the object of interest, this is the hand which we see here in yellow, can then automatically be used to calculate the score for a particular player. So lots of interesting things computer can do for us if we can learn to write the code that the computer understands.